Viewers, thank you for joining us on India Upfront. The debate on Hindu terror is back. The use of the term Hindu terror by opposition parties like the Samajwadi Party and Congress is not just a misstep. Viewers, it's a blatant dive into the murky waters of vote bank politics. Why do I say this? Viewers, this rhetoric highlighted by Akhilesh Yadav's endorsement of his MLA's derogatory remarks against the BJP reveals a strategic and deeply cynical attempt to polarize voters for electoral gain. In other words, this is a stunt for votes. The term Hindu terror, as you would know, was first weaponized by the Congress party and has long been a contentious label. It's a phrase that has been used selectively with the intention to vilify a community under the guise of criticism. Viewers, this strategy by the so-called secular ecosystem, if you like, does not merely challenge the BJP's policy or governance, but aims at the very cultural and religious fabric of a significant portion of India's population, thereby fanning the flames of communal discord. That's the way to put it. Because this endorsement comes at a time when the opposition has been accused of indulging in appeasement of those who have been glorified in certain quarters for acts against the state. From romanticization of figures like Burhan Wani to S.A. Basha, who was convicted for the Coimbatore bombings, the opposition has been resorting to open terror appeasement. The use of religion as a political weapon in this context is particularly dangerous. Viewers, by branding a political party with a religious identity, and then what have they done? Associating that identity with terror, the opposition and the ecosystem are not just attacking BJP, they are implicitly demonizing millions of Hindus who might support or are associated with the BJP, thereby stoking communal tension for votes. This is not just vote bank politics, viewers, it's much more than that. It's a form of political terrorism using fear and division and misinformation to manipulate electoral outcomes.
ये सरकार नहीं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक आतंकवादी संगठन, हिंदू आतंकवादी संगठन, ये पूरी तरह से पूरे देश को बर्बाद करना चाहते हैं। हमारे महापुरुषों के बारे में इतनी गलत बातें करने का काम करेंगे, समाजवादी चुप बैठने वाला नहीं।
जो लोग नफरत फैलाएं, फेक एनकाउंटर करें, कानून से न चलें, अगर इसके अलावा कोई और शब्द हो तो बताओ, वो भी कहा जाए। आपके पत्रकार साथियों के कपड़े उतार लें, नंगा कर दिया जाए, ऐसे लोगों को क्या कहोगे आप? मैं अगर आपसे ही सवाल पूछूं कि किसी पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता नेता, उसके खिलाफ आप में से कोई अगर खबर चला दे तो उस पत्रकार को कपड़े उतार करके नंगा करके खड़ा कर दिया, उस पत्रकार के साथ जो व्यवहार हुआ, जिसने व्यवहार किया, उसके लिए क्या कहोगे आप? अगर कोई आपके पास शब्द हो तो बताओ।
I totally agree with the statement of Shri Akhilesh Yadav, former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, that BJP is a terror organization.
You heard the reactions, viewers. Let's quickly open this up. Tuhin Sinha, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Karan Verma, political analyst. Ratan Sharda needs no introduction. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, political analyst. Tariq Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Danish Qureshi ji, political analyst, completes the panel. दानिश जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, अगर कोई टेरर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किसी को कोई अवार्ड, गिफ्ट या किसी तरह का सम्मान दे तो क्या लेना चाहिए?
देखिए, क्या लेना चाहिए और क्या नहीं लेना चाहिए, ये तो उसके अपने तर्क और विवेक पे तय करता है कि कौन किस तरीके की का अवार्ड लेना चाहता है। लेकिन पैरामीटर्स क्या तमाम लोगों के लिए बराबर हैं या नहीं है? सवाल यही आगे खड़ा रहेगा कि वो लोग जो हमारे ही देश में इस तरीके का एक तरीके का टेरर नैरेटिव बनाते हैं, उन लोगों के खिलाफ आप जब कार्रवाई नहीं करते तो एक तरीके का कोई रिवॉर्ड नहीं है।
दानिश कुरैशी, it's a simple question I asked you, sir. Let me simplify this even more. Do you think Nathuram Godse was a terrorist?
Yes, why not? Is there any doubt?
Okay, great. I asked you the first question. Let me repeat that, then I have another question. Would you be taking an award from a terror organization? Yes or no?
No, which terror, about which terror organization?
No, I'm asking you, which terror organizations would you take an award from? उसमें भी कुछ गुड टेरर और बैड टेरर है क्या?
Remember one thing. Okay, I will reply you about the Taliban. Taliban is in the now the terrorist organization list. Is there or is there yes or no? Just Biggie clarify from Bharatiya Janata Party. उनसे आप clarify करवा लीजिए.
I will put that to Tuhin, sir. Let me ask you this. I asked you about Godse. You said he's a terrorist. ऐसे बादशाह टेररिस्ट, बुरहान वानी टेररिस्ट, अफजल गुरु टेररिस्ट, yes or no?
नहीं तो टेररिस्ट का मैं वही तो आपको कह रहा हूं ना कि जो टेररिस्ट है वो तो टेररिस्ट है.
बता दीजिए ना ये टेररिस्ट थे कि नहीं थे?
दो राय नहीं है. लेकिन मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं
इसमें से जो ये जो मैंने 3 नाम लिया ये टेररिस्ट थे दानिश जी?
देखिए सुनिए, मैं आपको वही कह रहा हूं.
आप जवाब देंगे इसका? नहीं, मैं नहीं सुनूंगा. इसका जवाब चाहिए मुझे. आपने बोला गोडसे वॉज अ टेररिस्ट. Would you call these people terrorists? Yes or no? Yes or no? Will you call these 3 individuals terrorists? Yes or no?
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूं ना कि आप मतलब आप
देखिए कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है आपको. आई एम टेलिंग यू दानिश कुरैशी with every answer or the lack of it you are exposing yourself to the viewers. वो सब जानते हैं सर. आपने गोडसे में टेररिस्ट बोलने में सवाल खत्म नहीं हुआ. आपने बोला गोडसे वाज अ टेररिस्ट. व्हाई कांट यू से अफजल गुरु वाज अ टेररिस्ट? व्हाई कांट यू से बादशाह वाज अ टेररिस्ट? व्हाई कांट यू से बुरहान वानी वाज अ टेररिस्ट? यू टेल मी. व्हाई कांट यू से? You can't say because you want votes. That is the level of appeasement we've come down to. Let's turn to the Samajwadi Party. Tariq Khan, late Mulayam Singh Yadav, he got an award from a terror organization, sir. Why did you receive it? And you should return it. Your MLA has called BJP a Hindu terror party. Your Supremo Akhilesh Yadav says, what's wrong? वापस कर दीजिए.
No, what is the correlation in that? BJP is a party and that is the procedure. Through a procedure, government gave those awards. So you cannot compare those things.
क्यों? BJP is a party. That party is in power. The government is giving an award. मना कर दीजिए.
It's a procedure by which people, and not only Netaji, many people got those awards. And BJP is not nation. And every time any of the leader, and first of all, that MLA has said that video is cropped. Point number 1. Your
party chief is endorsing him. Forget the MLA. आपके जो सबसे बड़े नेता हैं अखिलेश जी, वो बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ और क्या नाम से बुलाएं.
Exactly. He is talking about BJP. Please don't generalize it.
I'm not. The problem is 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I'll tell you what the problem is. You can call 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. You can call Tariq Khan, Danish Qureshi, and Kabruzaman Chaudhary. Call any names to the BJP. Call them a terror organization. Call them human rights abusers. Listen to me. I am asking you, why are you adding the word Hindu? Hindu terror क्या होता है? बोलिए BJP terror organization है. You have that political fight with the BJP. Why are you maligning Hindus? What is Hindu terror, sir? And how many forms of terror do we have? Let's have that debate.
Akhilesh, please don't generalize it. Akhilesh said that we are talking about Bharatiya Janata Party.
What has like 1 minute. Hindu terror क्या होता है? What is Hindu terror? Tariq Khan, what is Hindu terror?
I am not. You are correlating. You are just.
I am not. I am asking you a question. What is Hindu terror? Is there Hindu terror? Is there Hindu terror? Is there Hindu terror, Tariq Khan? Tariq Khan, is there Hindu terror?
BJP is not Hindi.
Answer a simple question. Is there Hindu terror? अब डर क्यों लग रहा है आपको? आपको डर क्यों लग रहा है? जब आपके पार्टी चीफ ने बोल दिया तो आप बोल दीजिए हाँ हिंदू टेरर है.
आप बीजेपी को पर्यायवाची मत बनाओ.
आपने बनाया है. हिंदू टेरर. बीजेपी से हिंदू टेरर आउटफिट मतलब क्या हुआ? आप मुझे बताइए. व्हाट डज इट मीन?
अगर इनके नेता संसद में खड़े होकर मुसलमानों को गाली देते हैं गंदी तो वो इसी तरीके की एक्टिविटी है. मैं आज भी कहूं. और अगर बिहार के इनके मंत्री कहते हैं कि मुसलमानों को
आप हिंदू टेरर बोलेंगे, उसके लिए हिंदू टेरर बोलेंगे,
बीजेपी को बोलेंगे,
हिंदू टेरर बोलेंगे, हिंदू टेरर बोलेंगे, हिंदू टेरर बोलेंगे. AIM सुनिए. अब आप सुनिए तारिक खान. 1 minute. आई एम ग्लैड यू आर मेकिंग दिस पॉइंट. वेरी गुड. आप इसका जवाब दीजिए. AIMIM के एक नेता ने बोला था चौराहे पे किसी को फांसी दे दो, उसको कौन सा टेरर बोलेंगे? आप बताइए. AIMIM को कौन सा टेरर बोलेंगे?
MIM क्या है?
बताइए, वो भी पार्टी है, कौन सा टेरर है? अगर बीजेपी हिंदू टेरर है तो AIMIM कौन सा टेरर है? पीपल हु शेड टीयर्स फॉर बुरहान वानी, महबूबा मुफ्ती, PDP, व्हाट टेरर इज दैट पार्टी? यू टेल मी। बताइए, हिंदू टेरर कितना आसान है आपके लिए बोलना? हिंदू टेरर आप बोलिए, PDP को कौन सा टेरर बोलेंगे आप? व्हाट टेरर इज PDP?
PDP तो इन्हीं के साथ थी, उनको
बताइए कौन सा टेरर है वो बताइए।
अरे बीजेपी से पूछ लीजिए।
नहीं है जवाब आपके पास। कमरुज़मान चौधरी, आप तो आज बहुत खुश होंगे, आपका कॉइन किया हुआ फ्रेज पॉपुलर हो गया, मेन स्ट्रीम हो रहा है। आपका जो अपना एलाय है वो आपसे और कुछ अपेक्षा करे ना करे, ये उन्होंने फ्रेज उठा लिया आपका, हिंदू टेरर।
Well, Pranesh, I hope you permit me uninterrupted 1 minute time to
Sir,
explain
sorry,
my position.
I can't
What
make
do I
such
think about
promises.
this
Sorry,
particular,
I'm uninterrupted नहीं बोलने
Samajwadi
दूंगा.
Party leader
Only if you
telling
talk sense.
about,
Sorry, sir.
Bharatiya Janata-
मैं I can't make such promises. मैं जो है वो बोल रहा हूं. I will not allow you to speak
No,
uninterrupted if you don't make sense.
Pranesh, okay, Pranesh, don't invite me if I don't make sense. That's another issue altogether. But I'm very sorry. If I cannot speak to your team, then it's
No, you
it's
can,
not
sir. Speak to the
sensible
viewers.
you.
People are
But
listening
I'm sorry,
to you.
But let me
I
make
can't
the
make
point
such
since
promises.
you've invited
Yes.
me tonight. Yeah. Okay. Now come to the point. The point that the BJP is a Hindu terror organization, I believe it is too much out of the context out here, and it's very wrong to make a statement for a recognized political party. Because as a congressman, I did not make any statement against SDPI when it was labeled a terror organization. If the RSS was banned by Sardar Patel in 1948, you know what was the reasoning that he gave for the banning the RSS? All their speeches were full of communal poison. He wrote after banning the Sangh in 1948. As a final result of the poison, the country had to suffer the sacrifice of the invaluable life of Gandhiji. And there's a lot of context to it. Now, let me cite you 2 or 3 important contexts of the very recent past. One judge, sitting judge of a high court, Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav, he spoke in a very derogatory tone which was not liked by thousands of my countrymen. And it was seconded by none other than the Chief Minister of BJP from Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi. Point number 2, Nilesh Rane, known famously for all his communal rhetorics against a particular community in the country, was made a minister in the BJP-run government of Maharashtra. You have got hate mongers like Yati Narasimhan who are patronized by the Bharatiya Janata Party out here. You have got a sitting Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma who is framing rules after rules to vilify a particular community. Now,
challenge
when I
rules
say
in
whether
court,
the ideology of the
Chaudhary,
BJP
challenge those rules that you think are vilifying Muslims. I asked you a simple question. What do you mean by Hindu terror? And look, tonight you can't say that, we've got nothing to do with it. It was coined by the Congress. So should I take names? Digvijay Singh, Mr. Chidambaram, there are many more who've endorsed it. What is Hindu terror, sir? The viewers want to know. And what other forms of terror do we have?
Yes, that's what I'm explaining. That's what I'm explaining out here. You, as a Bharatiya Janata Party ruling the country for the last 10, 11 years, you have weaponized history, you have weaponized investigating agencies, you are looking for temples under the mosque.
Yeah.
Now you are starting to look for temples inside people's houses. You have got an MP who has billed 1 crore plus for so-called electricity theft. The same Sambal DM, the same Sambal SP are yet to be transferred after the Sambal killings. And every day you will come out with a rhetoric
should this guy, one minute, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, 1 minute, your heart is bleeding for, no, 1 minute.
Are you not fear-mongering?
Your heart is bleeding for the Samajwadi Party MP who's accused of power theft, power chori. You don't want him to apologize. You don't want him out of parliament. Here you want the district magistrate transferred. Why? Because he's following procedures. What mandir masjid are you talking about, sir? 1 minute. Tell me one instance. 1 minute. Kamruzaman ji, one instance where the courts have stopped something and groups have gone ahead and done it. That's not on. no one, sir, will tolerate anything that flouts the law.
Now, Pranesh-
But if the law of the land allows people to approach them for recourse, they have all the right to do it. Ratan, Sharda, how easy it is for people to say Hindu terror, saffron terror, what not.
I have the most worst kind of hypocrites sitting here in the panel, and they should be ashamed they call themselves politicians, I would say very bluntly. We have Mr. Kamar Zaman, whose party supported the call for destruction of the Sanatan Dharma, whose party supported chicken neck break of the Bharatiya area, who talked of use CA to spread riots, and he talks today about terrorism. They coined the communal violence bill, which made every Hindu a suspect rioter, and he had to find a way out to break that particular attack on him. Today, he will tell me what is Hindu terror. His Digvijay Singh said, RSS ki sajish 2011, did anybody ever apologize for that? So this is this person. Here, Socialist Samajwadi Party, they have people like Kazam Khan, Burks, Akhilesh, who tried to let terrorists out of jails just because High Court didn't allow, or they would have done it. They are supporting the call of Basha, the terrorist, the killer, cold-blooded killer, as a martyr. Nobody has objected to that. They're the same people who also supported freeing Madani, who was responsible for scores of killings going to blast before this. This is the record of their own thing. Has this person from AM, have they ever apologized for the Razakar violence? Because one of their founders, in fact, the founder of this particular stream of thought was a Razakar. Have they ever said that they were mistaken when they say 800 साल राज किया फिर राज करेंगे 15 मिनट दीजिए सबको दिखा देंगे और मोदी चलेगा तो क्या करोगे? Their record. Now also look at this entire game. There are 5 cases of defamation. Again, many of these brave people are on the TV panels in Mumbai. They are putting their tails in their leg. They are trying to avoid this particular case for last 4 or 5 years. They have Javed Akhtar, who went to the court saying, I'm an old man, I'm a sick man, I didn't want to hurt RSS. Please go for mediation and withdraw the case. So all these brave people talking of terror and all, there is a person here on the TV who said that सारे दंगे RSS में के आजादी के बाद, he's avoiding the defamation case now. So these people are very, very hypocrites and covers the first
No, their hypocrisy.
They speak all this.
Their hypocrisy, Mr. Sharda, comes out in one question that I asked them. Asked them about Godse.
Exactly.
Look at the alacrity with which the answer came. And then the 3 names that I mentioned, Burhan, Afzal Guru, Basha, total silence. And what about Ri? Tuhin Sinha, Prime Minister Modi has got the highest honor from Islamic countries, Kuwait, Saudi, Bahrain, UAE, Afghanistan, there are many others. But the opposition here is yet to give you the clean sheet. For them, the BJP is a Hindu terror organization.
Well, Pranesh, as despicable, as reprehensive the words of Samajwadi Party are, why are we surprised? Samajwadi Party is a party which thrives in pathological hatred for the Hindu community. Have we forgotten the way they murdered car sevaks in cold blood? The problem is they don't see terrorism in Bangladesh. They don't see terrorism in what is happening in Pakistan or in Bangladesh. They see terrorism in law enforcing agencies. They see terrorism in saffron-clad sadhus. But the sad part is that if there is one party in India, and I hate to say this because I've been very careful with my words, but if there is one political party which has been the most pro-terrorist in India, it has been the Samajwadi Party. When they were in power between 2012 to 2017, they tried to withdraw cases against terrorists, suspected terrorists involved in Gorakhpur, in Varanasi and Lucknow blasts. You know, the father of the convicted terrorist in the Ahmedabad blast of 2008 was photographed with Akhilesh Yadav. We all know what they made Kazamgarh to be, a den of terrorists. So I think, Samajwadi Party itself has a lot to answer, and it should be the last to use words like terrorists unless it wants to open its own, skeletons, expose its own skeletons hidden in its cupboard.
Karan, when I asked the people from opposition that why did you accept an award if you believe the party is a terrorist party, is that a wrong question? Begin by answering that, then you make your point.
It's a valid question, Pranesh, and the Samajwadi Party spokesperson didn't really have an answer. He was going on saying BJP is not India, but it's an award that you've received from BJP. And there are two problems here, Pranesh. One is, disrespecting the mandate of people. A party that has been time and again elected, you disrespect their mandate and say they are terrorists. And the second point is, you label them as Hindu terrorists. Those who go on to say that terror has no religion are using the word Hindu terror. And Pranesh, you must understand, it's a part of a larger plan. I mean, we must read what RVS Mani has talked about inside the Home Ministry. If not for Tukaram Ombale, they would have passed off 2611 as a Hindu terrorist operation. And time and again, whether it's the communal violence bill, whether it's Digvijay Singh, whether it's Akhilesh Yadav, you must remember, Akhilesh Yadav went to court to take back the case of Varanasi blast convict Waliullah Khan, and he was rapped on the knuckles by the court saying kya agli baar inke liye Padma Shri lene aaoge. Not just that, as recent as just a few months back, what did Ram Gopal Yadav say? He said Ram Mandir bekar cheez hai. Can you imagine him using this word? Swami Prasad Maurya saying Hindu ek dhoka hai. So they have time and again shown. Akhilesh Yadav in 2015, when he was in power, what did he do with the seers in Varanasi? Swami Abhi Mukteshwaranand was slammed along with lathis with others, and he apologized for that later in 2021. So whether it's Mulayam Singh Yadav saying, "Arey Yogi Baba, tum kya kar rahe ho in the parliament? Ye to Yogi Baba hai, tum jao mandir mein ghanti bajao." They are very clear. They want that Hindus should be linked to terror. They want to say terror has no religion when there are Islamists involved. There they want to go on beating this drum.
And
but
that is why I said that you can settle your scores with the BJP.
That is what Sushil Kumar Shinde said and was pretty much unapologetic about.
You're right.
This is their ploy to win the election. That's all. They want to divide the Hindus.
Which is why I said call BJP names, call them what you want, and let the BJP respond. Why are you bringing in this Hindu terror and saffron terror? Kamruzaman Chaudhary, do you know what your ally has said about Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi? Two people have won from Wayanad recently. Didn't Rahul Gandhi win? Whose support helped Rahul Gandhi to reach Delhi? With whose support? Without the strong support of Muslim Communal Alliance, would Rahul Gandhi have reached Delhi today? What has that made the Congress party, sir? Bataiye.
नहीं, ये देखो, इस टाइप का स्टेटमेंट तो हजारों स्टेटमेंट भारतीय जनता पार्टी से आ रहा है, तो आई हार्डली टेक ए डैम अबाउट दिस सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट.
ठीक है, ये तो डैम हो गया. अच्छा, मैं दूसरा पूछता हूं, एक और सुन लीजिए.
इन उत्तर प्रदेश
पिनराई विजयन द केरला चीफ मिनिस्टर
से मतलब है.
कमरुजामान चौधरी केरला चीफ मिनिस्टर
पिनराई विजयन. नहीं, हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा
उन्होंने क्या बोला था? बोला कांग्रेस इज नॉट अ सेक्युलर पार्टी.
हमको तो मुस्लिम वोट चाहिए नहीं.
इज नॉट अ सेक्युलर पार्टी.
तो आप लोग का मुंह चुप रहता है. बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ हुआ, Pranesh, one thing, just one single question I'm asking you. Your reporters, along with lot of influencers from India, have visited Israel and first-hand saw the genocide of Palestinians. Has any one single reporter visited Bangladesh? You tell me, who from Times Now has visited Bangladesh to get a first-hand happenings of what you call a genocide of Hindus in Bangladesh?
I'll tell you, sir. It's a great question. Listen to me now, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Don't run away. Listen to the answer. Listen to the answer. Listen to the answer. 1 minute. See how clever you. No, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. ये ऐसे झूठ मत बोलिए, sir. 1 minute. When our reporter went to Israel, you said he showed the genocide of Palestinians. Really? Innocents were killed in that music festival. You can't utter one word. Where is that bag for Israel, sir? कहाँ है आपको? Somebody had to give that bag of 1984. 1 minute. That was not worn by Priyanka Gandhi. Why? Was she ashamed? Why can't you? When you do stunts like these, then this is what happens to you. People call out your hypocrisy and double standard, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. All of you, 1 minute, all of you have been opposing CAA. Do you know what happened this evening? The Prime Minister was at a Christmas celebration. He was invited by the Catholics Council, the Bishop Council. And the ecosystem says Modi should not have been invited because he is responsible for persecution of Christians. Really? And then you don't support the CAA, Ratan Sharda?
The problem is these stories are one-eyed people. They have, their minds are closed. Their hearts keep bleeding. He says, did anybody go to Bangladesh? Did their committee go to Bangladesh? Did any political party, Congress or anyone go to Bangladesh? They were ashamed. They were embarrassed even to name Hindu genocide in Bangladesh. They did not speak, utter a word. till it becomes such huge they could not keep quiet. Even then the resolution said minorities. Still they failed to talk about Hindus and they talk about Palestine. They hardly did they ever make any statement of Kashmiri Hindus? Did they ever make any statement about Hindus suffering in Bengal? They will not make it. They will not talk of any Muslim majority area where Hindus can't even take out a procession. They have to go to court to take out the procession. They cannot have their mandirs. They cannot ring their bell in that area. Is that the kind of secularists they believe is not terror? Are they saying which Hindu organization has sent people out to kill people in Middle East or anywhere in the world? Have they ever sponsored any terrorist organization? Here are the people who got the recruitment done in Kerala in the name of religion and got them killed and turned into cooks and horrible people living in that condition who want to come back now. But they will never open their mind. Hard because they know there will be no circumcision from Hindu people. So they can keep on blaming, they can keep on attacking Hindus. Sanatan Dharm dengue hai, malaria hai, saffron terror hai. They are welcome to all that, but they have no courage. As I said, they can't even face the courts.
No, it's not about the courage. They don't want to do it because this will not give them the political dividends that they are eyeing. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, बोलिए sir, क्या बोलेंगे आप?
Pranesh, I asked you one simple question. You diverted into a victimhood of the Israelis. I asked, has
victimhood. The plight of Israelis is victimhood.
The genocide of Hindus in Bangladesh. When the last time such a genocide happened, it was Indira Gandhi who tore apart Pakistan into two parts. What is Narendra Modi doing right now? That's what we call playing politics in the mantra of fear. डराकर पॉलिटिक्स करके सत्ता हासिल करना।
किसको डराया सर?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी
किसको डराया हुआ है? कौन है डरा हुआ?
अगर 80-20
कौन है डरा हुआ? I'll tell you. Is this 1 minute sir? Is this Samajwadi Party member of parliament and his family? Are they scared? Do you know what they said when the administration? 1 minute sir. When the officials reached there, should I play it out? कौन है डरा हुआ? कौन है डरा हुआ? कौन है डरा हुआ? SP MP I forget his name. Burke. Do you know what his father has said? Do you know what his father said? He said, I will call the mob. I will call the mob. I will call the mob. He said, powers change. He said, powers change. You go to court, file a case. Tariq Khan, answer on what the Allahabad High Court had said. The point that Karan Verma was making. The courts have called out your terror appeasement, sir.
It's all right. Many time court says a lot about Uttar Pradesh government since Yogi Adityanath and power. If you want me to quote it, I'll quote it.
Please quote.
But it's all right.
No, please
it's
quote.
all right.
What is stopping you? Bataiye.
Just few days back, Supreme Court said that Uttar Pradesh government, his officials is acting like, means they are just enjoying the power and they have used harsh words against Uttar Pradesh governments, and not once, at least 4 to 5 times उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने टिप्पणी की है, इनके अधिकारियों के ऊपर टिप्पणी की है। अब मैं कह रहा हूं टेररिस्ट कहना, आप कह रहे हैं हमने बीजेपी को कह दिया। अच्छा,
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं। नहीं, तारिक खान, दैट्स नॉट माय क्वेश्चन। मैं बोल रहा हूं बीजेपी को टेररिस्ट कहिए, हिंदू टेरर क्या होता है?
नहीं, हम उसको उस बात को एंडोर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं।
अरे आपके पार्टी चीफ कर रहे हैं, तो अखिलेश यादव जी गलत बोल रहे हैं।
वो भी बीजेपी को ही कह रहे हैं भाई। नहीं, इनको और क्या कहूं, बीजेपी वालों को और क्या कहूं? वहां पर आपके बिहार के मंत्री कहते हैं कि
चलिए तारिक खान, अच्छा एक बात बताइए। चलिए, आई एम ग्लैड दैट यू नो इन 25 मिनट्स वीव कम दिस फार। अब आप बताइए, कांग्रेस पार्टी जो हिंदू टेरर कहती है, आप उनको स्लैम करेंगे? बोलिए कमरुज़मान को,
संजय निषाद को
अरे कांग्रेस पार्टी को बोल दीजिए, इफ यू डोंट अग्री विथ हिंदू टेरर, व्हाई आर यू एंडोर्सिंग द वर्ड्स कॉइन्ड बाय द कांग्रेस? आप बोलिए कांग्रेस गलत है।
मैं बिल्कुल, हमारी पार्टी इस तरीके के शब्दों को हिंदू को नहीं कहना चाहती। हम बीजेपी को कह रहे हैं, इनके नेता ऐसी बातें करते हैं, इसलिए हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कह रहे हैं। हम हिंदूज को नहीं कह रहे हैं, हमारा नेता खुद ही हिंदू है, हम क्यों हिंदू को कहेंगे?
प्रणेश, अच्छा तारिक जी एक मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। प्रणेश, आई टेक तारिक जी एज अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द समाजवादी पार्टी। आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क हिम 2 क्वेश्चंस। व्हेन द मुजफ्फरनगर राइट्स हैपेंड, आपकी सरकार ने ऑर्डर पास किया दैट द रिलीफ विल गो ओनली एंड ओनली टू द मुस्लिम्स एंड नॉट टू द हिंदूज। यू वर पुल्ड अप बाय द कोर्ट्स फॉर दैट। Today, do you think you made a mistake with that? Do you think that was wrong? That is one. And secondly, your person, Abu Azmi, recently met Azhari just before the Maharashtra elections. He is the same Azhari who has said, अभी करबला का अंतिम युद्ध बाकी है, हमें गजवाए हिंद करना है.
बताइए, जल्दी से जवाब दीजिए.
करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं? बता दीजिए आपकी बात.
मैं आजमी साहब बहुत लोगों से मिलते हैं, उसका जवाब देने के लिए नहीं हूं. हाँ, समाजवादी
आपके पार्टी के बड़े नेता हैं तारिक भाई, ऐसा मत बोलिए.
भाई बड़े नेता हैं, अब वो किससे मिलते हैं इसके लिए क्या कहा जा सके. अब सीपीआई के नेता वो जो जिनको गोली मार दी गई, उनके बेटे भी जाकर उनसे मिले.
तो आप लोग इंडिया अलायंस में, फिर जब ये है लेफ्ट बोल रही है कांग्रेस सेक्युलर पार्टी है, आप कह रहे हैं हमारे नेता उससे मिलते हैं, लेफ्ट उससे मिलता है, तो इंडिया अलायंस नाम क्यों रखा? नाम बदल लीजिए आप लोग, कम्युनल अलायंस रख लीजिए, कुछ और रख लीजिए, टेरर अपीजमेंट रख लीजिए. सर, कम अप विद समथिंग. आप लोग हर रोज एक दूसरे को गलत साबित करते हैं.
यही साबित करने में लगे हैं कि हम लोग किसी तरीके से जनता तक ये बात जाए कि हम एंटी हिंदू हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, हमारे सारे नेता हिंदू ही हैं. हम एंटी हिंदू कतई नहीं हैं.
आप लोगों ने सनातन पे क्या क्या नहीं बोला? लेट्स शो ऑल आवर पैनलिस्ट प्लीज.
अरे सनातन
आपने क्या क्या नहीं बोला?
हमने सनातन के बारे में क्या बोला? इनके नेता ने क्या बोला? संजय निषाद ने उसको क्यों अभी तक मंत्री बनाए? उन्होंने कहा कि भगवान राम महाराजा दशरथ के बेटे ही नहीं है,
तो इसीलिए
ऋषिकेश है. अब उनको अभी तक ये मंत्री बने हैं. अब विरोधी बात नहीं है.
तुहिन सिन्हा,
निकालिए उनको बाहर, फेंकिए उनको बाहर. भाई क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं?
You know, Pranesh, problem is not so much what Suresh Yadav says. Problem is that these things are completely and fully endorsed by Akhilesh Yadav. Have you seen Akhilesh Yadav's behavior when it comes to, criminals of a particular religion? Have you seen how he backed Moeed Khan, the person who was involved in molestation of a teenage girl belonging to the backward caste? Has he said a word against Ziaul Barq, who has indulged in economic terrorism? 1.91 crore of power theft is nothing short of electricity jihad. But Akhilesh Yadav will never take a stand. He encourages these elements. He encourages these elements who are fundamentally at war with the notion of a modern nation state. And that is the problem with Samajwadi Party. One part of Samajwadi Party belongs to another world. They are extremely radicalized. They don't believe in democracy. They don't believe in the secular credentials of the country. We have seen the grandfather of Ziaul Barq, Bashirul Barq, had openly supported the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan 3 years back.
Forget that for a moment. Let me read out what he had said. I'm talking about Ziaur Rahman Barq. हमारे शहाबुद्दीन साहब हो, अतीक अहमद साहब हो, मुख्तार अंसारी साहब हो, जो उनके साथ हुआ है वो कोई भूल नहीं सकता. मेरी गुजारिश है आप लोगों से, कसम है आप लोगों को. कौन थे भाई ये लोग? They were all convicted criminals, terrorists. Why can't we call them terrorists? Danish Qureshi? Why is it so difficult? बुरहान को तो बोल दीजिए, बुरहान वानी टेररिस्ट था, नसरल्ला टेररिस्ट था, बोल दीजिए एक बार.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता का जो भी स्टेटमेंट है वो आप तारिक भाई से पूछे तो ज्यादा बेहतर है.
मैं आपको बुरहान वानी का पूछ रहा हूं. बुरहान वानी का प्रवक्ता कौन है? वही डिफेंड करेगा बुरहान वानी को. आप बताइए, आप बुरहान वानी को कंडेम कीजिए, नहीं तो आप स्पोक्सपर्सन बनेंगे उनके.
ये जानना चाहता हूं कि महबूबा मुफ्ती के साथ में अलायंस किस कंडीशन में किया था? क्या तब आपको ये समझ
ये तो बीजेपी बताएगी सर.
महबूबा मुफ्ती क्या चीज है?
महबूबा मुफ्ती, बाय द वे सर, महबूबा मुफ्ती पे फ्रॉम डे वन आई हैव सेड दैट शी इज अ टेरर सिंपैथाइजर. बुरहान वानी के मौत पे रो रही थी. शी वाज शेडिंग टेयर्स. 1 मिनट. एंड महबूबा मुफ्ती ने सर मुझे ट्विटर पे ब्लॉक करके रखा है. इतनी इंटॉलरेंट है वो. एक सवाल पूछा था सर मैंने उनसे, ब्लॉक कर दिया मुझे. बाय द वे दैट तुहीन विल आंसर. आई एम आस्किंग यू टेक अ पोजीशन. आप लोगों को बता दीजिए कि देखिए हम टेरर को टेरर बोलते हैं. आप बताइए, बुरहान वानी, अफजल गुरु, याकूब मेमन, ऐसे बादशाह, बता दीजिए, बोलिए टेररिस्ट थे.
देखिए, अलायंस बनाने में भाजपा बहुत मास्टर.
आप मुझे नाम बताइए, मैं बोलता हूं. आप मुझे सवाल पूछिए, नाम बताइए, मैं बोलता हूं कौन टेररिस्ट था. मैंने आपको पूछा गोडसे टेररिस्ट था, आपने बोला है. अब आपकी हिम्मत नहीं है बोलने की. दानिश कुरैशी नहीं बोल सकते आप नहीं बोल सकते.
सुनिए. अरे टेरर के मामले में बीजेपी का क्या स्टैंड है वो मैं बताता हूं आपको. देखिए, पहले तो 28 टन गोला बारूद पहले इजराइल को हमने दिया, और उसके बाद जब चीजें बदली तो फिर उन्होंने ये कहा कि नहीं, अब हम सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे.
क्या चीजें बदली? इजराइल, 1 मिनट सर. इजराइल जस्ट लाइक एनी कंट्री हैज एवरी राइट टू 1 मिनट प्रोटेक्ट इट्स पीपल एंड सोवरेनिटी. 1 मिनट. पहले वहां पे म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल में जो लोगों को मारा, किसने मारा, क्यों मारा, आप बताइए। वो कौन सा टेरर था? हिंदू टेरर था? कौन सा टेरर था, बताइए।
गलत हुआ नहीं
एक
हुआ,
सिंपल
होना चाहिए
क्वेश्चन
था।
है, उसका
सुनिए,
जवाब नहीं दे
सुनिए,
पा रहे।
सुनिए।
आई हैव आस्क्ड यू 10 times. I have asked you 10 times
सुनिए।
about these 4 individuals.
आगे
Who
तो
are they?
सुनिए।
You can't take a position. Danish Qureshi, next time you come on a debate like this, come better prepared.
अरे सुनिए, आप जवाब सुन के जाइए पहले।
अब बताइए, बुरहान वानी
उसके बाद
टेररिस्ट
जाइए।
था?
और मुझसे बैकअप की बात
बुरहान
मत करिए,
बुरहान
आपके
बुरहान
पास
वानी
जवाब नहीं
टेररिस्ट
है।
था? जवाब
अरे,
दीजिए।
तालिबान
बुरहान वानी, मैं बोल रहा हूं
आप
तालिबान
जवाब दे
टेररिस्ट
दीजिए,
है।
चलिए।
मैं बोल रहा हूं बुरहान
आतंकवादी
वानी
है।
टेररिस्ट है, तालिबान टेररिस्ट है, गोडसे टेररिस्ट है। आप बताओ।
सरकार से पूछ लीजिए, आप जवाब दे दीजिए।
मैं बोल रहा हूं
तालिबान
टेररिस्ट है,
आतंकवादी है।
मैं बोल रहा हूं टेररिस्ट। अब आप बोलिए, अब आप बोलिए।
नहीं, तालिबान आतंकवादी है।
बोला मैंने तालिबान आतंकवादी। अब बताइए।
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूं।
आप बताइए, अब आप बताइए, आप बताइए। अब आप बोलो बुरहान आतंकवादी था, बुरहान वानी वॉज अ टेररिस्ट, अफजल गुरु वॉज अ टेररिस्ट।
आप नहीं बोल पाते, आप उनको रखते
मैं
हैं।
बताता हूँ, I'll
आप
tell you
नहीं
what the
बोल
trouble
पाते,
is.
हम
When you
उनको
ask
आगे
the same question to
ये
Tariq
चलेगा
Khan,
नहीं। और आप
when you
अपना
ask
backup
Danish
रखिए
Qureshi,
प्रदेश
listen to me,
की।
sir.
हमारे
Don't
पास
talk
हमारा
over
backup
me.
है।
Don't talk over me.
हमारे पास
Listen to
पूरा
me.
backup है।
When you ask the
आपके
same
पास
question
backup
to
नहीं है।
Tariq
आपको
Khan, he
बात
will
करके
say
रखो।
many governments come and go. अब उन्होंने अवार्ड पे यही पूछा, मैंने बोला वापस कर दो। अगर बीजेपी से अवार्ड लिया है, आप बोल रहे टेरर पार्टी है, तो वापस कर देना चाहिए।
पूछिए ना रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट से, तो जवाब नहीं देंगे उसका।
All of you are exposing yourself. We'll have to move on. I thank some of you for joining us. Viewers, let's